Now we see the examples of a having substring and ends with. See the first example, construct a DFA for language L which consists of a strings having 0 0 as a substring and it ends with 1 over the alphabet 0 comma 1. Now see here, first we have to write the language. The minimum string will be 0 0 and ends with 1, that is the smallest possible string. See here, there is no condition of a starts with, so we can start with either 0, then having substring 0 0 1 and ends with 1. Okay, then it can be starts with either 1 0 0 1, it can be starts with either okay, 2 is not given in the alphabet set, so it can. Now see here, in between having and ends with we can write anyone. Now see here, having 0 0 and ends with 1, in between 0 will be occur, having 0 0, then 1 will be occur in between this one, then having 0 0, then 0 0 0 0 1. Okay, then 0 0 0 1 1, that means having 0 ends with 1 or having 0 ends with 1 and so on. Okay, now write the regular expression. What is the regular expression of given language? String starts with either 0 or 1, okay, which is not given here, so it can be starts with either 0 or 1, having 0 0 as a substring and it can be ends with 1, it can be ends with 1, it can be ends with 1. So this is the regular expression of a given language. It can be starts with either 0 or 1, having 0 0 as a substring. Okay, now see here, after this 0, after this having substring 0 0, number of zeros will be occur, number of ones will be occur, and then it can be ends with 1. Okay, see here, transition diagram, Q0 starts with having 0 0 ends with 1. Now see here we cannot give not given the condition of a starts with, so we can starts with either 0 or 1, but 0 is already given, so we can start this string with either 1. Okay, then here if string having 0 0, if 1 will be occur, then what can I do? If 1 will be occur here, I cannot give a self loop because it will become 1 0, which is invalid. So here we can give the 1 1 0 0. After that, this is the part of a having and this is the part of a ends with. So in between having and ends with, number of zeros will be occur, number of ones will be occur, but 1 is already given, so here we can give the self loop of a 0. Now see here, ends with 1. Okay, so there are number of ones will be occur. Okay, ends with 1, here the condition is that it ends with 1, so after this one number of ones will be occur, then it will become ends with 1. After this one, if 0 will be occur, then we can give 0 here to the Q2, 0 1, okay, which is valid. Now check Q0 0 1, Q1 0 1, Q2 0 1, Q3 0 1. Okay, next, having substring B, B, C and ends with A over the alphabet A, B, C. Now see the language. Okay, the language will be B, B, C and A, okay, which is the minimum string or smallest possible string. See here, it will be starts with either A, then B, B, C, A. It will be starts with either B, 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 C, A. It will be starts with either C, B, B, C, A. Okay, then it, now see here, having B, B, C and ends with A. Before that, A will be occur in between these two conditions. B, B, C ends with A, B will be occur. Having B, B, C ends with A, C will be occur, and so on. Now, draw the, first we have to write the regular expression. Having B, B, C. Before that, the string can be starts with either A or B or C. Okay. After that, having B, B, C and ends with what? A. Before that, number of A's or number of B's or C will be occur in between having and ends with. So this is the regular expression of a given condition. Now here we have to write the draw the transition diagram. Q0, Q1 having B, B, C. Now see here, B, B, C and ends with A. Okay. Now it can be starts with either A or B or C. Already B is given, so it can be starts with either A or C. Okay. Now see here, if A or C will be occur, then what can I do? Okay, I cannot write here this self loop because it will become ABC or CBC, but the condition is that having substring BBC. So if A or C will be occur, I can give it to the Q0, A, B, B, C, C, B, B, C. Okay, now see here, after this B will be occur, then what can I do? Here I can give the self loop of a B. Why? Suppose this is a B and this is C. In between this B and this C, if number of B will be occur, I can get B, B, C. So here we can give the self loop of a B. Okay. After that, if A will be occur, then what can I do? Here I cannot give A because if I can give A here, then this string becomes ABC, which is invalid. We have to we have here condition that the substring BBC. So here we can give the A, B, B, C. Okay. Then here this is the having part, this is the end part. In between having and ends with number of A's will be occur, B's will be occur, C's will be occur. But A is already given, so here we can give the self loop of a B or C. Okay. And it can be ends with A. It can be ends with A. Okay. So here we can use the self loop of A. But after this A, if B or C will be occur, then what can I do? I cannot give here, okay, because this is the part of a having. So I can give here B or C. B, A, C, A ends with A. We can get the final state. Okay. See next example. Having CAA and BB. Having CA as a substring and ends with BB over the alphabet A, B, C. Over the alphabet A, B, C. Now see here, first we have to write the language. The language is that, what is the language here? Having CAA and it ends with BB, that is the smallest possible string. Okay, then it can be starts with either A, CAA, BB. It can be starts with B, CAA, BB. It can be starts with C, comma. It can, okay, now see here, having CAA and ends with BB. In between these two conditions, A will be occur, CAA ends with BB, B will be occur, CAA ends with BB, C will be occur, and so on. Okay, the regular expression is it can be starts with either A or B or C. Okay, then CAA. Okay, after that, having, after that it if A or B or C will be occur, then it can ends with BB. Okay, now see. C, A, A. First having CAA, then B, B. Okay, see here. It can be starts with either A or B or C. C is already given. So after this C will be occur. Here we can give the self loop of a C. It will become C A A. Or after this C, A is already given, C is here. Now what will be the remaining? B. If B will be occur, I cannot write here B because it will become BA, which is invalid. So the A will be B will be given here. C here. B, C, A. Okay. Now after this A, B will be occur. If I can give B here, then it will become BA, which is invalid. So I can give here B. Okay, if C will be occur, then now see here, if C will be occur, I cannot write here C. It will be longest path. C, C, A. Barabar, double C will be occur, which is invalid. So I can give C here, which is the shortest path. C, A. Okay, C, A. Then here, this is the having, this is the ends with. In between these two, number of A's will be occur, number of B's will be occur, number of C's will be occur. B is already given, so here we can write the self loop of A, C. After that, here ends with what? B. After this B, number of B's will be occur, we can get double B. Okay. So here we can give the self loop of a B. If A will be occur here, then what can I do? I cannot write here, give here self loop of A because it will become AB. Okay, which is not valid. So I can give here A, B. Or C will be occur, again here we can give C, B. Okay. Now after this B, if A will be occur, then what can I do? String ends with BB. So A will be occur. Here I can give give the A, then it will becomes, it can ends with string ends with AB. Okay, which is invalid. So we can give A here, B. Or if C will be occur, C, B. This is the transition diagram of A having CA as a substring and ends with BB.